The psychology of eye contact. What your eyes reveal without saying a word. Have you ever locked eyes with someone and felt a sudden connection, tension, or even discomfort? It's not just you. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues in human communication. Specialists in psychology call it the silent conversation, because what your eyes share often speaks louder than words. Whether you're flirting, negotiating, or building rapport, eye contact can make or break your message. In this article, we explore 10 fascinating insights into what your eyes reveal and why the psychology of eye contact matters more than you might think. Understanding this silent language can transform your personal relationships, professional interactions, and even how you see yourself. 1. Trust and connection swing through eye contact. One of the first things people notice is whether you make eye contact consistently and with warmth. Psychological studies show that sustained, gentle eye contact releases oxytocin, the trust hormone. That's why two people who look at each other when talking often feel more emotionally connected. But it's not just about frequency, it's about timing. A deliberate glance followed by a soft look can elevate trust far more than staring could ever do. 2. Confidence speaks through gaze control. Ever noticed how confident people hold your gaze without flinching? They make steady, controlled eye contact, long enough to show presence, short enough to avoid aggression. Conversely, people who look away frequently or dart their eyes around may unintentionally signal nervousness or insecurity. In high-stakes situations like interviews or meetings, learning to centralize your gaze can boost your perceived confidence significantly. 3. Too much eye contact can intimidate. While eye contact builds rapport, too much can be intense or intimidating. Research suggests that prolonged, fixed eye contact may trigger discomfort or even a fight-or-flight response in the subconscious mind. The key: use eye contact strategically. Hold it for 60 to 70% of a conversation, breaking it with looks away to ease tension. Skilled talkers use eye contact rhythmically, like a gentle dance, not a stare. 4. Eye contact indicates dominance and submission. Think about how animals stare to assert control. The same is true for humans. A firm, direct gaze can convey dominance or assertiveness, while avoiding the gaze may reflect submission or shyness. In leadership, balanced eye contact signals authority without aggression. In negotiations, a light assertion of gaze can tilt power in your favor, again all while staying genuine and respectful. 5. Cultural norms shape eye contact meaning. Eye contact isn't universal. In many Western cultures, it's a sign of confidence and honesty. But in other cultural contexts, such as parts of East Asia or the Middle East, extended eye contact may be considered rude or disrespectful. Understanding that the psychology of eye contact varies globally is crucial, especially in multicultural environments or when traveling. 6. Flirting begins with subtle gaze plays. Heart racing yet feeding butterflies in your stomach? That might be the power of flirtatious eye contact. Research on courtship signals shows that subtle eye contact, like a slow glance paired with a smile, can ignite attraction. Women tend to use longer, softer eye contact to express interest, while men often give quick, steady glances. Recognizing these patterns can help you read and send healthy nonverbal signals when building romantic connections. 7. Eye contact enhances memory and persuasion. Think back. When did you remember someone's message better? Usually when they looked you in the eyes. Psychology explains this. Eye contact increases attention, which boosts memory retention. Use eye contact during key moments, introducing yourself, delivering a main point, or making a pitch. You'll appear more persuasive, credible, and memorable. 8. Emotional truths appear in the eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul, isn't just poetic. The emotional centers of the brain send microsignals, like pupil dilation, slight widening, or shimmer, when you experience strong feelings. Psychologists note that noticing these micro-expressions can reveal hidden emotional states like surprise, joy, or even controlled anxiety, before a single word is spoken. 9. Avoiding a gaze can mean discomfort. Avoiding eye contact isn't always a sign of shyness. It can signal emotional distress, guilt, or fear. People often avert their gaze when they're processing negative feedback, confessing guilt, or confronting their own fears. When you notice someone avoids your gaze, it might be a cue to ease up, slow down, and let them feel safe in the conversation. 10. Practice eye contact to build social confidence. Just like any skill, eye contact improves with mindful practice. Try these simple exercises. Hold eye contact for a few seconds longer than usual during conversations. Mirror the other person's gaze rhythm to build rapport. Practice in low-stakes settings, like ordering coffee or brief chats. To build daily confidence. Record yourself, with consent, to notice how often you break eye contact and where you feel tension. Over time, you'll notice your presence, connection, and personal confidence rising, thanks to your eyes alone. Final thoughts. Master the psychology of eye contact. The eyes don't just see, they speak volumes. Through a single glance, your intentions, confidence, trust, and emotions are communicated wordlessly. Mastering the psychology of eye contact doesn't require manipulation. It simply requires awareness, practice, and authenticity. Curious? Next time you interact, pause and notice. Do you hold subtle, steady eye contact? Do you adjust it based on context and mood? What does someone's gaze reveal about their feelings? Your silent communication deserves as much attention as your words. Because in the world of human connection, what your eyes reveal often speaks the loudest.